Hi! Today we're going to create a Canva account using an education account, which is what we have, and that is our wemsu.edu.ph. Okay, so first, what we're going to do is we need to be logged into our wemsu.edu.ph account, and by that we can use our Gmail account. Okay, so for this particular session, I'm going to use my wife's account because she hasn't signed up yet with Canva and mine already has. So to to so that will be in the same pace. Okay. So first is you have to be logged into your wemsu.edu.ph account. So how do you do that? You go to Gmail and then you input your account, your username, wemsu.edu.ph. Okay, and then input your password. So I'm gonna do it now. There. So after logging in your wemsu.edu.ph account, you can go back to Canva. You can type on the tab on the address bar, canva.com, and on this page, you'll be able to see a lot of templates that are readily available for us to use and customize. Okay, so you'd be inspired to do this because you will be able to do this actually. Okay, so next step is we click on sign up, and then you will be asked to choose sign up with Google. Of course, since we're using our Wemsu, which is in Google, we're going to click on sign up with Google, and then it will ask you to choose switch account if you have other accounts. So of course I'm gonna choose this account, my wife's account, Darlene Flores, and wait for it to load. And since I am a teacher, I'm going to click on teacher. If you're a student, you click as it as student. Okay. So on your part, it depends. Okay. If you're a teacher, you use teacher. If you're a student, you use student. Okay. So basically, all of the how Canva presents the elements to you will depend on which type of account you're going to choose. Okay. If you're a student, then Canva is going to present you elements that are fit for student user. As teacher, you're gonna be um, presented with how teachers actually approach these elements. So on my part, I'm a teacher, or we are teacher, including my wife. I'm going to choose teacher. So on your part, if you're a student, okay, you click on student, or if you're a teacher, you can use the teacher. Okay, so unlock your education package free for K to 12. Okay, so let's just click the maybe later. Okay, it's an education account. There are a lot of things that have been unlocked for us already. Okay, so who's on your team? If you don't have uh, these things in mind yet, you can skip this, okay? Because basically Canva is also designed for a collaborative work setup where you can work as a team, okay? So these are very, very good features in Canva. So let's just skip this because we're just starting. And there you go. We're done, okay? So you can already start with the first design. And that's it. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video in creating an education account in Canva.